Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming eligibility. Check that your Airtel account is KYC complete and the physical SIM is active on your phone. Once done, gather ID proof like Aadhaar or passport and the mobile number registered with Airtel. This speeds verification. Next, open the Airtel Thanks app, or plan a brief visit to an Airtel store if you prefer in-person support, because the app initiates the eSIM request and shows whether eSIM provisioning is allowed on your line. You tap through the Airtel Thanks app. Go to Profile, select Services, then pick eSIM Request. This triggers the provisioning flow. When asked, choose the correct device type and either enter the phone's IMEI or let the app scan it. Accuracy matters because wrong IMEI blocks activation. Then confirm any nominal activation fee and submit. The app gives you a request ID and estimated time. Make sure to keep the phone online and reachable so Airtel can push the next step. Once Airtel approves, you receive the eSIM QR code in the app inbox or by SMS. Alternatively, collect a printed QR at the store. You then open your phone settings, choose cellular or mobile data, select Add eSIM and scan the QR. Follow on-screen prompts to label and enable the plan. If activation fails, restart the device, verify the IMEI matches the submitted number, and ensure network access. If still stuck, call Airtel support and give them your request ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.